How to refer a friend on Asos. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can refer a friend on Asos. So basically what you have to do is just go ahead and open up a browser, and then on the web address bar type in www.asos.com/discover/refer a friend, and that's going to directly take you to the page where you can go ahead and refer a friend, or the where you can go ahead and enter in the detailed information so to refer a friend. Unfortunately, this kind of feature is only available in certain part of the world. In my case, you can see that I'm unable to do it. So when you have the following form, you have to enter in the referrer's full name and then the email address where needed to get the money off the order as well. And once the friend has placed an order successfully, the existing ASOS customer will be sent a promo code to use one of the next order. So any new customer can be referred by the referred or referred friend program. So that's basically how you can refer a friend on ASOS. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.